Imphal si post master general sida pusilai badu maba
akoigi organization amaduna president of post
Usaba kaya pibirakani haibagi thazu
daga makata bata
Gauda any communication
not only this opening this branch post office, I have suggested him that to open some village knowledge center. Popularly that is known as the kiosk. This village knowledge center is very much essential in the remote areas because it gives so lot of important information. Aduna sigumba haiba village knowledge center sisu ahakna propose tawjabani aduna haiba akoigi nasagi post office sigi matangda aina kendra sida yama tawjakhagasu kayuma khara akoigi simatang han hangto asi haiduna akoi kanna akoi yama pibirakpedegi akoi hangdok sabani
post office today it is brought here. It is just because the people over here they require the service of the postal department. So I, from my side and on my on the side of the department, we would like to request the people over here, please utilize the service of the postal service here. So this, and we wish that you nurture this branch post office to a sustainable growth. So in due course, once it is developed, it is improved, it incomes, then we can always, as Sarah said, we can always propose for upgrading the post office. So there are so many still chances we can develop and upgrade this branch post office.